not opening. Now we gotta do it the hard way. What's the point of the key then?
You know, because it sounds good. Rolex, jewelry, guns, and a stack of cash.
Let's go. Ooh.
Ah! Ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, piratas, stalkers, warehouse picking of all Asian people.
We gotta save.
We gotta save. We gotta save. It's safe to say there's something to shake it. It's full. We know there's something. I can tell you there's something in this thing. You know there's something in there. We got to get in this safe. We got to get it open. First thing I would do is take that thing and I would bang it like this.
Use the okay.
That's a good roofing axe. Can I show you how I would do it?
Hold on.
Oh, you're doing all right. Then you could bang it open. Justin, have you ever got a chance to swing heavy on it? You ever got to beat a safe? Have you ever found a safe?
The safe I found the combo.
Oh, wow.
I was able to open it.
Well, I'll tell you what, we found a key, but we couldn't get in.
That's not the right key, right?
No, that's why this is open. We were able to turn this and it didn't do nothing. Like this is how I would do it.
Oh, don't hit your shit.
Turn it. Too bad you didn't have a crowbar.
Hit it.
That's what we do for a living. We're the safe crackers. We're safe crackers. We're party influencers. Justin, we're trying to start a new business. We're going to be party influencers.
I like it.
Hit it. Ooh. 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 Okay. Okay. Perfect. Oh, I can see in you, baby.
A series of wedges.
Oh, I see stuff.
Stuff!
7 Come on. Put your weight on it. Put your weight on it. There you go. Hold on. See where it's at right there?
Yeah. The side you're on, you need to get the other one now. And there may be a third pin.
See right now, there's a third pin. No, third pin, it's just the two. Right here. One. Oh, he's loose. Okay.
But there could be some on the sides too.
The up and downers.
Yeah, up and downers.
Right there. Okay, now there's probably one. Let me make sure there's not one right here.
No, it's gonna be here, I think. No, there's gonna be one on the bottom, one on the top.
Give me 2 smacks right there.
Don't need two.
Do this for a living.
I'm gonna put my glasses on. I feel dangerous right now.
Now once we clamp this off right here.
Hey, can we bring this out away from the wall a little bit? There we go.
Right there. Let me get a smack right there.
Okay, Justin, how about you try a little bit of smack? Let's see.
Smack.
We need to see what you. I need to see what you could do.
Wow. Wake me up when he smacks into Mike.
Justin, when you gonna start swinging?
I'm trying to be easy on my axe, boys.
Oh, your axe is done for.
Axe might not even make
We'll
that.
give you $10 for it.
I might not get
I remember when you should have sold at the flea market and you turned the offer down. It's been how long has it been your truck?
It's my defense mechanism.
You're not a firefighter.
It's the most miles.
Nobody takes on a guy with an axe.
I don't think we're gonna find a bag of what we found in last time you helped me. I hope this is redemption because the last time Justin opened a safe with me, it was full of like full. It wasn't like one. It was all of.
What if it was our safe though? There you go.
We're about to open the door. What I need to know from both of you is what's inside of here.
A little bit of paperwork and jewelry.
A little bit of paperwork and jewelry. Rolex, jewelry, guns, and a stack of cash.
Let's go. Ooh.
Ah! High five! High five!
That's a 92 FS.
Oh.
That's a gun.
That's a Beretta.
Oh.
could be loaded. Be careful. Dibs.
Tips. Could be. I'm not even gonna mess with it like that. I'm just gonna set it there. Take the clip out first. It was loaded in the clip. Could be one in the head. We'll set that to the side.
Set that off this side. Okay. Point that down.
I just bought one of
Take
those.
that out.
Oh my God, I like
I'm
those.
not gonna clear it. I'm just gonna
I really
set it
like
to the
those.
side for now. Is this the money?
That's a nice wallet. Okay.
Ammo,
Sounds good.
which is good as gold right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
Okay.
While we smacking it with an axe, this is what I wanted to see right here.
Oh,
A little bit of silver. Yeah, a little bit of silver. Italy.
Come on, 12 karat. Ah, diamond ring. I was hoping.
Yeah. Where's that at? A couple more.
You know where it's at?
In the unit.
In the unit.
Wait, what do we got here?
Oh,
Ooh,
oh, that's a. Is that a Louis pouch?
Coach.
It's Coach.
Passports. Travel a lot.
So maybe they're not out of the country.
Maybe not.
Okay. All right.
Drawers. Paperwork.
Presidential coins.
Be all gold, please.
They're gold, just not the right kind. Okay.
This.
Stamps.
Stamps. No, these are money bags. Put
Ooh.
money in these.
Gung Ho Fat Choi. Come on, $100 bills.
fat bill.
No bills. No bills.
All right.
No bills. Check them all. We got some Simpsons.
Can you make
today.
sure there's nothing in the chamber?
That one's empty.
What is that?
It's a 92 FS.
What does that mean?
It's a Beretta. It's beautiful. This is a SIG. So now you can tell they're open. This is a. I just bought one of these for like 800. Which is a little high, but
Yeah.
in 9.
We paid $4,400 for ours.
But this is all good.
The one thing that, what is it? Yeah. The one thing that makes me happy though is that there was something in there. That's all that really matters,
You
right?
need 9, right?
Gucci.
Gucci. That's money, right?
These are notorious for being hard as fuck to.
Security cards and stuff. It's not bad.
Not bad. I'm happy.
Some safes have nothing. This has pins. This is nice.
Guys, what do we think?